Hello everyone, my name is Gulsan Bankhede. So today we will discuss about a partnership. What is a partnership? How many type of partnership? So basically partnership is a teamwork, yeah, or partnership is a combination of teamwork, efficiency, communication, trust, business, support, plan, collaboration. All are these things. A combination are partnership. Partnership is a more important is teamwork and efficiency, communication, trust, business support, plan, collaboration is called partnership. Partnership is a business arrangement where two or more person are joined together or share share are joined together, and capitals and risk and profit and loss. So you can say the partnership is a business arrangement where two or more persons join together their shares, their capitals, their risk, their profits, their losses. All in these things are called partnership. Partnership partnership is a minimum number of two partners are required. So partner is a person partner is a person who invest money, property or efforts in a business. Any business like share profit and loss, has some degree of responsibility in the business. A partnership must have at least two partner minimum. Any business, any partnership have minimum two partners are required, like two, three partners, four partners. Different type of partners are available. So type of partners, so you can say partnership recognized different kind of partners depending on the involvement. Any business you can start, and there are different type of partners. They depends on your on their rules. So you can say working partner, just like a number one type of partners. So you can say number one partner is a working partner or active partner. So you can say a partner is a completely working in business. This is called working partner. And second partner is a sleeping partner or dormant partner. Dormant partner is not work properly, not interest in business. So you can say mainly two type of partners: working partner and second is sleeping partner. Like examples, this is a working partner and this is sleeping partner. One is nothing to interest in, second person is highly depressed, so this is no interest. So you can say two types of partners. First is working partner or active partner, participating in the management of the business, work actively and makes business decisions. Any business decisions who participate management who so may receives extra share, commissions or salary for their work important in problems. Also invest capitals. Example, invest money and also manage daily operations is called working partner. Any partnership or most important person is a working partner. Now working partner is extra share and business makes decision how to improve business, how to make profit. This is called working or active partner. So uh, and other minor type of partners like a nominal partner. Nominal partner, this type of partners, they are they lends their name but does not invest or work, get no profit. In this type of partners, no profit, no loss, only for name or land where business, where business is running. So you can say nominal partner. Second is minor partner. Minor partner is admitted only to profit, not loss. Any business can start two or three partners. So only minor partner is only for participants, only for losses, only for profit, not losses. And next is secret partner. Secret partner is invest and work, but identity is secret. Secret partner, not you can not other partners and public name is not open. This type of only for investment purpose of secret partners, like SHIAM, any business start. So no name in public domain. So next is silent partner. Silent partner is invest only identity, on in only investment. Identity not disclosed. You can no change, you can know silent partner. Type of partnership. So mainly two type of partnership. Number one is simple partnership and second is compound partnership. Simple partnership means same period time the partners are invest money in the same time period, so you can say time period is same, so profit share is based on the capital into time. If you can invest your money in 1 lakh rupees in 1 year, so second partner invest is a 1 year, so you can say profit is equal to profit is proportional, directly proportional to their investment of capital. So profit share is directly proportional to capital into time. Our time is same, so you can say profit is directly proportional to, if time is same, time are constant, so you can say profit is directly proportional to capital. Like person A and person B. Person A invest 10,000 rupees in 12 months and person B invest 20,000 rupees 20,000 rupees in 12 months. So after one year, after 12 months, profit ratio A and B will be, so you can cut the ratio 12 to 12, 0 out of 0. So you can say profit of A ratio B is equal to 1 ratio 2. This type of simple partnership. Next is compound partnership. Compound partnership is a different type of investment, like A and B are two partners. A invest is a 20,000 and B invest is a 30,000. Both person are invest different amount and their time period is different. Like time period is A is 1 year and B time period is 8 month. So you can say profit ratio A and B, profit is equal to investment into time. Profit is equal to investment into time, so you can write down, so 20,000 into time, 1 year is equal to 12 month ratio. B investment is a 30,000 and 8 month. So you can cut the numbers 0 to 0 and 3 4s are 12 and 2 into 4 is equal to 8, 8 to 8. So you can see both profit ratio is equal to 1 ratio 1. This is a compound type of partnership. So I hope you can easy to learn. So thank you.